Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CA Sansar. Myself CA Deepak Garg, and today we are going to learn about how to sort columns in an Excel file. Let us understand this with the help of a practical example. Now as you can see on my screen, I've got list of employees, their salary for the month of January, which is table number 1. And in this particular sheet, I've got the list of employees, their salary for the month of February, and this is table number 2. If I go back to table number 1, you can see that after the month column, I'm getting the columns of band, basic, location, and so on. Whereas in case of table number 2, the columns are HRA, medical, band, basic, and so on. That is, the columns are not in the right sequence. So if I really want to consolidate this entire data by copy pasting the salary for the month of January and then going back to table number 2, then again selecting the list of employees, copy paste this entire data. If I really want to paste this data below this data, then the desired outcome will not be correct because I'm getting the salary column in the band section. So I need to arrange the sequence of columns of table number 2 in exactly the same way as given in table number 1. So what we can do is, we'll go back to table number 1. We'll insert a row just below the header row, and I'll give it a serial number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll go back to table number 2, insert a row, and I'll use HLOOKUP formula to map all the corresponding numbers as given in table number 1. So I will use HLOOKUP. Lookup value would be A5, comma. I will select this entire array. I'll fix this array, comma, select 2, comma, select false, press enter. I'll copy paste this formula. And here you can see I've got the serial numbers as given on table number 1. So if I go by the serial number, I know that first and second column are correct. The third column should be band. The fourth column should be basic. The fifth column should be location. Sixth and seventh column should be HRA and medical. So now what I'll do is I will select this entire table, go to data, click on sort, click on options. I will select sort left to right. I'll click here, press OK. I'll go to sort by. Now it is asking me to input the row number. The row number is 6. So I'll click 6. The order should be smallest to largest, and I will press enter. So here you can see in this particular table, my columns have been arranged as per this serial order. And in table number 1, also the serial order was the same. So now I can delete this particular row from this table. So I can delete this row. And now you can see that all the columns have been arranged in the similar manner as was given in table number 1. Now I can simply copy paste this entire table number 1 along with this table number 2 and consolidate this data. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you have any queries, feel free to mention that in the comment box below. And for more such updates on Excel tips and tricks, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.